Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, those are collard greens. That is 1 chopped onion. And that's about 5 cloves of garlic. 6 slices of bacon that I've busted up. Some seasonings. Some chicken broth. What is this? That's the bacon grease. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make killer collard greens. I love collard greens. They're one of my favorites. And I haven't made them for you guys yet. And this is a killer diller recipe. And it's fast, simple, and easy to do. Well, it's not that fast because you got to cook these down, but it's really simple to do. First thing we're going to do is get this pot going. Well, don't talk about it, Mike. Let's put this bad boy together. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this bacon grease to the pan. Or this is like a pot. And it's going to do a little olive oil. There you go. That's the start. Then we'll get these onions in here. That's a little sizzly. Just lower that heat a little. I'm going to saute these for maybe 6 to 8 minutes, okay? So they just get a little flimsy. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, these are just about ready. Now we're going to add the garlic. Nice. Let's mix this garlic in. Yeah, you want these onions to be just a little brown and just start to be soft like this. This is perfect. We're going to saute this garlic for 2 minutes. Then we're going to get those greens going. All right. I think I need just a little more olive oil just so nothing sticks. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Smells good. All right. See you in 2 minutes. We'll get those greens going. Now the part you've all been waiting for. I know you have. Here come the greens. Oh! What you're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is you're going to push these guys in as much as you can. Push them all in. Then I'm going to put the chicken broth in, as you can see. This is a nice organic chicken broth. Made with free-range chickens. I know, it doesn't mean a lot to a lot of people. I'm just going to put enough to boil these suckers. You're going to push this in. You're going to bring this to a boil. And you're going to keep pushing these in until these wilt a little. I'll put a little more stuff. I'm going to finish this whole thing. I'm going to put two quarts of this in. Once this gets boiling, we're going to season this bad boy. I told you it was easy, but it takes a little while. Or you can hear it starting to boil. I'm just going to add a little onion powder because I didn't put enough onions in it. What's wrong with me? Little garlic powder, because people who've met me know I like garlic. We're going to put some salt, and we can season it later after we check it again in an hour. Straighten that camera out. There, some salt. I'm going to put some pepper in here. And just a few chili flakes right now, because we don't want to make it too hot. You can always add more, you can't take away. You ever hear of that one? My mom taught me that one. Making Italian food right next to her. Right by her ankle. It was like a little puppy dog. I miss that lady. She's still alive. She's not dead. I just miss her, I haven't seen her. I'll try to visit her this year. We'll do some cooking with mom videos. What do you think of that? I know you can't wait. I know I can't. All right. See, as it's wilting, when this comes to a boil, and it's almost there, I'll show you what I'm going to do next. All right, you can see this is boiling. Now, don't forget the bacon, Mike. My goodness. You can use ham. Everybody uses different things. These are my killer collards. All right, I'm going to reduce this to a simmer, and we're going to cover it, and we're going to let this baby cook down. That's it. We're going to check this in about an hour, because these do take a little while. I'm going to set my timer. Should I put more bacon in there? Oh, I can't believe what a failure I am. All right. Simmer these. We'll check them in about an hour and see if we need more seasoning. That's it. Cover them. Set it and forget it. I'm pretty damn excited. I hope you are too. I'll see you in about an hour. All right, believe it or not, it's been a little more than an hour. This sucker is really cooking down nice, and it's reducing nice. Now let's just taste it to make sure that it's going to be seasoned correctly. Okay, let's try it. It's going to be hot. Oh my God. Oh, that was really good. I'm going to give it, oh man, it's so good. Now I got to try one of these guys. Let me just try this one. See that right there? Still pretty hard. Probably needs another hour. I'm gonna go with more pepper. I'd use cracked pepper, but as you can see, I'm holding the camera, so it's probably couldn't do it unless I hold the camera between my legs. That's what she said. A little salt, because salt's good for you. All right, I'm gonna put a little more red pepper flakes. Crushed pepper flakes. Crushed pepper flakes. Oh, it's too much. These are starting to look like collards. God, I love collard greens. Let the vegetable speak for itself. You don't have to really jazz it up with too much stuff. We're gonna check this again in about 45 minutes and see what's cooking. See once those collards are nice and tender. I'll see you then. All right, it's been a couple of hours. Let's see what's going on here. As you can see, look at that. The liquid is almost burnt off. I've tasted these. They're nice and tender. Cook them down until they're the consistency that you want. But these killer collard greens are ready. You serve these up. Take a big bite. Coming up. There they are. Do they look good? Only one way to tell is have a big bite. There it is. There's the, that's hot. Killer collards. Just try a bite of this. Ooh, look at that. Hot. Tender, perfect. Oh, I got some of that bacon. Oh. Seasoning. I taste the onion. I just tasted some of that garlic. But the collard greens, they stand alone. They have so much flavor when you cook them this way. Check that out. Oh, that's a baby. I taste a little of that heat, just subtle in the background. If you want it hotter, of course, spice it up. If you don't want any heat, don't put it in. Sweet baboo. This is a sweet baboo. The bacon is subtle. The greens are speaking for themselves. I love collard greens. That's killer diller. You guys gotta try this one. One of the healthiest foods on the planet. Eat your greens, collard greens. For more videos like this, check out, where are you? Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same collard green name. Until next time, greens. Peace.
Live life 365.
It's not a pan. How much is 2 quarts? This is a cup, 2 cups, quarts. I'm gonna put those in. All right. What if you forgot the bacon? That would be crazy. Ooh, don't get all fogged up. Don't get fogged up. Don't get fogged up. But these, woo! Look at that. Those were horrible. Where's the fried egg? I can't eat this without an egg. No, those are killer. Oh God, those are so good. No, I'm gonna set my teeth now. Baba. I don't have my. I can tell I'm in Vegas. I'm in my other place. I don't have my tripod. It's a little louder too. You can hear.